All right, guys, we're gonna be going into our next superset. It's gonna be some flat dumbbell 45-degree angle bench press. What the 45-degree means is just your grip pattern. So instead of being totally straight, you're just gonna it's gonna feel more natural. It's not gonna put as much tension and stress on your shoulders. After that, we're gonna move on to some dumbbell lat pullovers and then some seated tricep extensions. So if you can, find a weight to where you can go pretty heavy with this, because we're only doing 3 sets of 10 and they're not really hard movements, but go with what you're feeling comfortable with. All right, we're going into the lat pullovers. So with this one, you just want your shoulders on the bench. You want your hips up, bridged up in the nice glute bridge. So you're gonna be right here, holding that dumbbell above your face with straight arms. Slowly lower it down and then drive up. All right, and then from here, just doing those tricep extensions. So you're gonna be holding that weight vertically. Let me angle this up a little bit for you guys. And you're kind of diamond gripping it. You kind of bring your hands into a shape of a diamond around the top. And that's the same position you want your hands in for those last movements we were doing, the lat pullovers. Just makes it easier to control. So you start with your arms fully extended at the top, let your elbows bend, and drive straight up. All right, I'm gonna knock 2 more sets out.